What is going on, everybody? I just made the biggest mess up ever. I don't think you guys were able to see. Oh no, I don't think you guys were able to just see what happened. I have 2 empty cups of sauce. Guys, oh no. Oh no. Guys, Ben just came down here, guys. I hit go live. It didn't hit go live on YouTube. That is a complete tragedy. Ben said he was going to drink sauce with me yesterday on stream. He didn't. He forgot. He had to rush out. But he came back literally just 5 minutes ago. We drank the sauce on stream. I have the empty cups of sauce right here. We were not live on YouTube. This is, let's have a moment of silence for that horrible mistake. Oh, that was so much fun too. All right, well, we're going to have to try to get Ben back on tomorrow. I can't believe that. He's going to have to drink 2 cups of sauce. Oh God, we just drank that sauce for no reason. That is horrible. I am very upset about that. I'm sad we missed this. Oh, that's bull. I'm calling conspiracy. Oh no. Okay, well, it's okay. It's okay. We'll do it again tomorrow. Hopefully I can get him down here for a few extra minutes. Oh no, I can't believe that happened. Okay, well, anyway, guys, I just did a whole intro. I just talked to you guys for about 5 or 10 minutes and just realized, because I see myself on the screen here, I just realized we were not live. Okay, moving on. Guys, real quick, before we get started, thank you all for being here. I do just want to point out that, you know, everything that's going on in the Ukraine right now, you know, we relate it to price action and how it affects crypto. But I do just want to say that is not what it's about. You know, it's a really sad situation that's going on in the Ukraine right now. And, you know, it's just, you know, it's not about crypto. It's not about Bitcoin. It's not about prices. It's not about, this is, although it does affect the price, it's a really sad situation. And our thoughts and prayers go out to everybody in the Ukraine right now. It's a really sad tragedy. And hopefully we can have it come to a peaceful, quick end. Hopefully it doesn't get dragged on. So I just wanted to say that and get that out of the way. But with that being said, on a lighter note, guys, we have a super exciting stream tonight, guys. You can't make this up. You forgive. Okay, Bubba's Crypto says they forgive us. Okay, that makes me feel better. But hey, we'll just have to have Ben come back on. It's okay. But listen, guys, you can't make this up, guys. It is exciting. Yesterday, it's almost like we're fortune tellers. Right? It's almost like we can see into the future. Right? We called out that spider line. I was expecting a dip to that spider line. We're going to pull it up on the charts, guys. We came right down to that exact target that we had. Beautifully came right down to that spider line. And, you know, we were talking about short opportunities right before the end of the stream yesterday. So I hope some of you were able to get in on that move. I know I did. We're going to pull up a little bit of profits just in a second. But we're going to be looking at Bitcoin. This pump, guys, we are pumping. Oh no. What is this, guys? What is this? I found a new toy. And this is a money gun, baby. Or we call it a bagel blaster. You know, money gun, bagel blaster, whatever you want to say. But it is amazing. But guys, we're making money over here. We called that beautifully yesterday. Hopefully you guys made some money. Let me know if you guys caught a short yesterday off of what we were talking about on the stream. Put hashtag bing bong, hashtag profits, hashtag bagels, whatever you want to put. Just let me know you're making money out there, and I'll hit you guys with the bagel blaster here. But guys, super exciting. We're going to talk about the pump. Where can we go? Are we going to just reject right back down? Can we continue higher? We're going to talk about all of that. And then I'm going to let you guys know how you could have gotten into some other trades today. We shorted it on the way down yesterday, and now we could have longed it on the way up. And I'm going to show you guys how you could have seen that. I shot the divergences video today, guys. The divergence video is going to be coming out. If you don't know, divergences is a setup on the chart that you can look for to get into longs and shorts. They're very, they're pretty reliable, and they're very good. You can make decent money off of them. It is wonderful. Real quick, let's just check chat here. Let's see. We got the usual site. Hey, who was in the stream last night, guys? We did our first late night, midnight to 2 a.m. stream during the dump. You know, a lot of people were scared, but hey, Frankie Candles has got your back. I was there. We were talking about it. We were watching it live. it was it was fun to hop on at the home office and chat with you guys and show you show you guys what was going on and what I was thinking and where I thought we could go. And we saw the price wick down to where we called it yesterday on the stream live. It was very exciting. Thank you all who stayed up late to hang out on the stream. It was super fun. A lot of new faces. So if you're a new subscriber hopping in here today, welcome back. This is, a little higher energy. I was a little quiet last night because we did have people sleep and didn't want to wake anybody up. But we're back in the studio, guys. Energy's high, brought to you by Black Coffee. I got the water here. We got the bagel blaster. We got the sauce. I cannot believe we were not live. It was oh God, it was so good with Ben here. Oh God, that's disappointment. But tomorrow I will try to get him back on, guys. God, I will never forgive myself for that. He was saying that he loves the CandleMafia. It was beautiful. Super, super exciting. I am so upset that did not come through. But we'll have to make it a little better. Checking chat real quick. Thomas, welcome back. Illusions of Hope. Chad, welcome back. Crypto Anon. Hey, make it rain, baby. Make it rain. Make it rain. How about this? I'll just blast the camera. Woo! Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Isn't that fun? Isn't that? Ooh, baby. We ran out of money. We got. Oh. Woo! All right, here we go. Maybe I should have put more money in there. But guys, we're gonna have fun with this bagel blaster. Let me tell you. But yeah, guys. Oh yeah, that bagel blaster is sweet. I just saw it on the replay here. All right, Thomas, welcome back. Matt Stevens, welcome back. Bubba's Crypto, thank you for being here. Always happy to see you. We do have our wonderful mods in chat. Where are we? All right. Who do we got? Captain Kirk, thank you for being here. Appreciate you. Captain Kirk was with us last night as well. Jerry, welcome. Icon87, welcome. Welcome. Tyler Durden, happy to see you. One of our other wonderful mods. Jimmy Two Shoes from the Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. What's going down? Jimmy Two Shoes from the Boogie Down Bronx, baby. That's what we like. Let's see. Matt Stevens, welcome back. Tony D, our other amazing mod. Give it up for Tony D. Let's see here. Mako. Hey, Mako. I think Mako might be a new subscriber from last night. Mako, welcome back. He is from Tampa. Coming down from the south, not too far from us in Atlanta, Georgia here. All right, guys. Chat is blowing up. Let's go. All right, guys. So without further ado, let's hop into the charts. Guys. I hope my energy is not too low. I am running on like 16 minutes of sleep. Someone asked me last night, they said, Frank, I have a serious question for you, not crypto related. They said, do you have to sleep? And I said, no, that's one of my superpowers. I don't really need much sleep, especially like you ever stay up late playing video games or you stay up late doing the thing that you like to do and you just can't go to sleep. Time goes by so fast. That's how I feel when I'm streaming with you guys, when I'm on the charts. That's how I feel. So it doesn't feel like work. So I'm happy to be here, even if I'm on, 16 minutes of sleep. If I fall asleep, it'll just be a quick nap. I'll wake up real quick and we'll get right back to it, guys. From Australia, Mike Roberts coming in from Australia. What is going on, man? Welcome to the chat. Do a video on how to use Femex. Alejandro C. We got one. There is a Femex tutorial on the channel right now. You can go check it out. And then if you want to sign up for Femex, you can hit the link in the description below and sign up for Femex. You will get, I believe, a signing bonus. But yes, get the Tums ready. Yeah. Oh God, I can't believe that. Oh no, I can't believe that did not go live. That's okay. We'll get Ben tomorrow, hopefully. All right. Let us go into the charts. Here we go. Also, Obsession 2024. You did win the NFT giveaway. So if you're in here, try to chat one of the mods and send them your email or your contact information, and we will reach out to you so we can get you your NFT. Here is the beautiful NFT that you won. A little Yoshi Dognut NFT. I think that's a VR helmet. You got the Atari mug. That thing is pretty dang sweet. Okay, coming on over to the charts, guys. Woo, baby, I can't. I love when this plays out like this. Let me go down here and turn on all of our lines and indicators, specifically the spider lines. Guys, we called it. The CandleMafia knew this was going to happen, right? Okay, so we're on the daily, right? Let's actually come down to the 4 hour, right? Today is the 24th. So the 23rd, this was right here's the 23rd. Okay, so yeah, we were hanging out, guys. We were hanging out in this area here. Actually, let's come down to the 2 hours so we can, yeah, there you go. So we were rejecting off of this resistance line at about 39,322, as well as coming up to this spider line, right? We broke through, rejected. Let's turn on Market Cipher A real quick. So yeah, we rejected down, right? We rejected down. Also, real quick, I do want to point out, this is basically the move that we caught. We were looking at this spider line at about 34.1, 34.1, 34.2. It's kind of hard to get that exact level there. That's where I was expecting us to stop, right? And guys, I mean, you can't make this up, guys. You can't make this up. What kind of move was this, guys? What kind of move was this? 11%. Guys, throw 10x leverage on it. It's about 100% profit. I was actually in 2 trades yesterday or last night after the stream. I was in a Bitcoin short. I was also in an Atom short or a Cosmos short. So let me just pull those up real quick. Here you go. This is the Bitcoin short. I caught the Bitcoin short a little later, right? So caught 61% profit on that one. And then Cosmos wound up running it up 141%. Atom USD short. This is my open price. That's the close price, guys. 141% profit, guys. We're doing it out here, guys. We're doing it. We're making the bread. We're making the bagels. I'm sharing it with you guys. Oh, screen. Oh, cool. Why is that happening? Interesting. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. We'll go solo again. We'll go solo. Okay. Let me figure that out. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. Technical difficulties today. Thank you, Captain Kirk. I'm keeping an eye out for those emojis. Thank you. I know I missed like 40 of your messages yesterday. Okay. Hopefully, there we go. I think we're gonna be good now. I think we're gonna be good. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. Okay, hopefully you guys can see my chart now. I'll give it a second. I am on like a 15-second delay or so. So let me just see if it pops up on my end. Start over. Please share it with us. Okay, here we go. No worries. Frankie needs sleep. Yeah, guys, I'm running on 16 minutes of sleep. This is what we get. Okay, so here we go, guys. On the Bitcoin chart, I think you guys can see it now. So here we are. I wish there was like a buzzer that you guys can hit if something's wrong, that I can audibly hear it. Because once I go into the analysis, I cut to the screen and it takes a while to see it up here. So I hit the button, I look straight at the screen, and then chat's trying to scream at me, but I can't hear you. But anyway, here we are, guys. Okay, here we are. Actually, I'm gonna actually move chat because this has been happening a little often, more often than I would like. So I'm gonna move you guys a little closer to my peripheral. Okay, guys. So here we are, right? We were up here yesterday. Yesterday was 23rd. We were up here, came up off of this resistance, rejected off of this resistance as well. We also had this spider line here, right? And then this is where we were calling it, right? Didn't look good. We had the 3-day blood diamond still in play right now. And we came down here for about 11 or 12% profit, guys. That's 110 or 120%. We called it on stream. Hopefully you guys were able to get in there. So this is a fake out or no? Yes, MTV, we're gonna get to that in just a second. But yeah, so hopefully you guys were able to get into that and, make some profits. As I pulled up before, I know you guys did not see, this was my Bitcoin short, got in a little later. So 61% on that one, not too shabby. And then there's the Cosmos short, entry and exit, and 141.17% profit. So we're making the money, guys. We're making the profit. Hashtag profit if you guys caught any of those trades. And just to go a little further into something that was able to give us a little bit more confidence getting into those trades, right? We talk about this a lot on the channel. If you watch this, you would have seen this as well. Boom. If you look at Market Cipher B, we have the yellow VWAP wave crossing over the 0 line, correct? Yes. We have this tiny little trigger wave, right? These tiny little trigger waves usually indicate there's a big move to the opposite side, right? So we came barely up over the 0 line here and then had a big move to the downside. So that's 2 little confirmations that you printed the red dot, 2 little confirmations that we were going to head down. And then if you come on over to the 15-minute, oh no, I guess Oh, this is Bitcoin. Interesting. Okay, yeah. So hang on, let's go back to the 4 hour. Okay, yeah. So you had, and then you had the blood diamond print as well right there. That's blood diamond, VWAP crossover, little trigger wave with the red dot. That's 3 confirmations, guys. Pretty strong, right? So there you go. You could catch those moves. This is we talk about this all the time. And then if we go over to Atom, this is where I was actually thinking we were on. So yeah, so here we go. I think it was this. Yeah. No, not even. Okay, so on Atom, kind of looking just about the same, little trigger wave, right? That's why I always say Bitcoin, the alts usually follow Bitcoin. So, you know, and the alts will usually give you a bigger move. As you can see, my Atom trade was up 141% as the Bitcoin one was up 64 or 61, whatever it was. So it's nice to be getting profits on both sides, right? But yeah, these little trigger waves with the VWAP coming down. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then where is, I just really want to quickly talk about Luna. So yeah, Luna, look at this, look at this. Okay, so whatever, we are on the 4 hour, yes. Okay, so that's the yesterday, okay, cool. All right, so obviously, 2 little random lines. There's those random line guys. Boom, okay, let me get rid of, yeah, let me get rid of Market Cipher A so it's easier to see. So we did come down, right? And then look at this on the 4 hour. Is this where it was? I think this is where it was. I'm looking at so many coins, I'm losing track, right? So you have right here, you have the 4 hour VWAP crossover. And then is this the 15-minute 4 hour? Yeah, that was it. It would actually, let's move that line. I was actually technically, I guess we could move it to the confirmation. Yeah. Okay, so you see we do have the money flow coming up, right? The line does fall right on this little green money flow coming up. We did dip down a tiny bit just for a second before we came up big time. So you could have caught back to the 4 hour. This could have been a pretty big move. Unfortunately, I was filming that video. I missed this one. I was very upset about it. But yeah, wow, 24%. I shouldn't have done that because now I'm really feeling the FOMO. Yeah, Luna's been my big winner over the past 12 months. Still holding strong. Let's go, Memphis, Nick. Congratulations on that. Yeah, so big move for Luna today. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful move. So yeah, okay. So let's talk about Bitcoin, guys. Let's talk about Bitcoin just a little bit, right? So we came down to that spider line right where we thought we would see a bounce, and then we had this giant pump, right? 17 or a little less than 17, maybe 15 or 16% for Bitcoin. Now, look at this, guys. Look at this. You could have caught, look at the VWAP. VWAP crossover. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. I don't think this did this. Yeah, this wasn't really, this didn't play out how we thought. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful. You could have, I was saying once we got there, we could see a really decent bounce off of this level. So, you know, as you're having the VWAP, you know, we came down, right? And then we came up a little bit, but then we had this little, let me get rid of this line. We had this little indecision candle here, right? A little doji candle, as we were talking about yesterday. It didn't know which way it was going to go, and then it decided to just slam to the upside. You had the 4 hour VWAP crossover, and you know, we came out, and then we rejected right off of the same resistance. Currently coming in at 37,973. So nice little relief rally. Now, actually deleted some of my lines here. Let me pull this back up. Where's, yeah, like right about here, 36.5. This was the level that I was hoping we could break to continue bullish momentum. Yeah, guys, smash the like button if you have not already. We're gonna spin the wheel. Somebody took the wheel off of, actually, no, I moved it because I was filming a video. But we're going to be spinning the wheel. We got 222 viewers, guys. Welcome to the stream. 120 likes. Let's get it. If you guys want to spin the wheel, I'll drag it in here in just a minute. We're going to spin the wheel. Every 100 likes we get, we spin the wheel. You can get giveaways. And then we got fun challenges like having to chug sauce. Oh, God. Ben's going to be so mad that I made him drink that and it wasn't on camera. I'm just kidding. Hopefully he can come down and join us again. He actually did the intro. He faked being me. So it was pretty funny. Very, very sad about that. But yeah, we'll bring the wheel in here. We'll get the wheel spinning. Yeah, let's see. Smash a like. Hey, Ivan, welcome back. Hope, welcome. Do we get to see it or will that be off camera? Will you see what? The wheel? I mean, we can pull the wheel in right now. Here's the wheel. Put it on this side. We got a little more room over here. All right. Okay. All right. Ben is supposed to chug some sauce too, right? Yeah, MC, he was. In the beginning of the stream, he actually did the intro. We had a whole thing going on. It was hilarious. It was amazing. But we weren't live on YouTube. We hit the button, whatever. We had some technical difficulty, and it screwed us. But we'll try to get him. We'll try to get him again. Arturo, welcome back. So yeah. This was a level we were looking at, this support/resistance level. This was a big level we had to come up above to continue up. So, but let's not forget, guys. Let's start on the weekly, right? Let's not forget. You know, weekly still not looking pretty, right? It's exciting. We're pumping. If you caught along, congratulations. I hope you didn't miss it. Everybody missed it because we weren't live, MC. So don't worry. We're gonna try to do it again tomorrow. Upside or downside in the short term, Brian. Like I said, we did break this level at 36.5. I do think maybe we could come up a little bit. We are going to be coming into some resistance. But let's not forget, right, we have, let me pull up Market Cipher A. And then, yeah, hike it on. Or no, we'll pull up the regular candles, actually. On the 3-day, on the Heikin-Ashi candles, we do have the 3-day blood diamond. Last time we saw this, we came down 50%, right? Over 50%, I believe. So we do want to keep an eye on this because you can see, you know, we even wicked down to, you know, it doesn't mean just because we wicked and bounced off the spider line, we're immediately going back up. We have to keep in mind that we have this 3-day blood diamond, and that Market Cipher B is looking very bearish on the weekly, right? This is the 3-day, going back to the weekly. On the weekly, we are looking very bearish. We were talking about this yesterday. You know, right here, I mean, it's looking, we had deep in the green. This is the 2017-2018 cycle. And then we came into the red when we were entering the bear market as we were coming down. And then when we dipped into the red, we hit the deep pits of the bear market right here. It's looking very, very, very similar right here, right? If we dip into the red, maybe that's where we see the giant dip down to about 20K, right? So maybe we see it play out like that. Doesn't mean it's 100% going to play out like that, but the weekly is still looking pretty dang ugly. So we can't forget about that. 3-day blood timing could bring us down a bit more. I mean, quite a bit more if it plays out like this one, obviously. So this might, you know, we did get this little relief pump. Doesn't mean that we're going to the moon just yet. It is bullish that we got above that 36.5 level. That was an important level. Important resistance level we needed to get back above. And as you can see, we didn't even hesitate. We smashed right through it, guys. We smashed right through it. So we are currently coming up to resistance, right? So we came up, we tested this blue line of resistance. Let me take off Market Cipher A so you can see a little better. So we came and we rejected off of this blue line on at 39,322 about. And then, you know, we tried to come up, got rejected by the spider line, and now we are starting to correct just a little bit. Yes, so we probably will come down in the very, very immediate short term. If I had to guess, you know, because we just pumped a lot, guys. We just had a big pump. Nothing goes up forever. But we'll have to see if we could come down and test this line at 36.5 and test it as support and get a bounce off of it. I'd be feeling pretty good. But let's not forget the weekly does not look good. The 3-day does not look good. Let's check the 2-day. Pull on Market Cipher A one more time. You know, this deep in the green could be printing, you know, could be printing a little trigger wave here. No bullish divergence, unfortunately. In order for this to be a bullish divergence, we would have had to have price make a lower low, which we did not make a lower low. So, oh wait, actually, yes. Okay, so I guess this could be a bullish divergence. But yeah, I would expect maybe a little bit of downward price action in the very, very short term, just because we are coming up to resistance. We're rejecting off the resistance right now. But yeah, so nice little relief rally. Anybody catch any longs on that? Let me know if you guys caught any longs off of that move. JP is saying fake out. Hey, JP, definitely possible. Awesome. I just loaded 200 on KuCoin and tried the bot with 50 and figured I will start around 20 until I get cozy with it. Hey, Derek B. Nice. Trying out the KuCoin bots. I like it. All right, let's see. Any idea why it pumped today, right? There's a lot of talk, right, guys, about how markets are affected by wars, right? There's actually a chart going around on Twitter showing like how different conflicts have affected markets, the stock market. And typically right away, you see a big downfall. And then it typically winds up being bullish for the markets, right? Because there's a lot of money printing. So, you know, there's a bunch of different 80% on the short, then 35% on the long. Jonathan, let's go. Making that profit. Let's go. Loved the midnight stream last night. Chris Higgins, thank you for being there. Thank you for being there. I had a lot of fun. It was worth the 16 minutes of sleep, let me tell you. 3x long at 1170 on link this month. Let's go. Let's go. So yeah. Hey, Dan Casey, what's going on? Welcome to the stream. Yeah. So you know, this could have been the little downfall that we saw. But it's also, you know, we came down a lot, right? We hit a big resistance level. So we could just be seeing a big bounce off of that level, right? There could be many reasons why it pumped, but we're going to have to see if it continues. Like I said, we are coming up to resistance. Yeah, so let's come down to the 30-minute. So yeah, yeah, we are VWAP coming down, but money flow, I mean, on the 30-minute coming up in the green. How's the money flow? Yeah, money flow on the 2-hour coming up. Look at that. So yeah, we'll have to see. We could easily curve back down, right? We could easily curve back down. We'll have to see what happens. But nice little relief pump. These are, I'm really happy we were able to call this short. I actually really kind of pointed out to me on Cosmos. I think someone asked me to look at Cosmos, and that's what made me notice it. But yeah, beautiful move. And we called the bottom almost to the dollar, guys. We called it almost to the dollar. Let's see. Check the 5-minute chart. What's going on the 5-minute chart? Get down to these degen levels. Okay, a little blood diamond on the 5-minute. Not too scary, guys, on a low time frame like that. You know, they do bring you down a bit, right? This one brought you down a bit, but because we're on the 5-minute, it's not going to be like 30% or anything, 7%, right? 10x leverage, guys, 10x leverage, 70%. Now, I'm not saying if you see a blood diamond, just short it with 10x leverage. I'm saying you got to see confirmations, but I'm just saying they do tend to bring you down decent. But, it, you know, if this move was on the daily, it would be, you know, 50, 60%, or the 3-day. But yeah, so we'll have to see how this plays out. You know, lower time frames. Let's check the, yeah, coming into the red. 6-minute coming down a little bit. Yeah, I mean, maybe we come back up and we keep testing these lines in the short term, right? We have the lower time frames. We got the VWAPs coming up. That 12-minute though. Oh no, what was that? Was it the 10-minute? Yeah, we'll have to see, right? You got the VWAPs coming up on the lower time frames. Could bring us up in the short term. But let's see. And then, yeah, 45-minute, 1 hour, you got the VWAPs coming down. So we'll have to see what happens. Maybe come up a little bit and test that line again, and then the longer time frames bring us down. What is a blood diamond? Brian Taylor asks. I'll go over that in just a second. Money flow is going down. Let's see. Check Cardano. We will look at Cardano, Jerry. Don't worry. Thomas, any trade? Are you asking me if I was in any trades? I was. We just showed the P&L. Actually, just closed it, but we did just show the P&Ls. I made 61 or 64%. I don't know if it was 61 or 64% on Bitcoin, and then 140 something percent on Cosmos short, both shorts last night. Okay, MTV, the indicator I'm using is called Market Cipher. It's a paid indicator. You can get it, I believe, on the BitBoy Crypto's deal page. You can get a discount on that if you go through that link. But yeah, that's what I'm using. What is a blood diamond? We'll go over that in a second because I have been covering that often. I don't want to bore anybody who just heard it, but we will go over that again. How was I able to join the midnight stream? A better mind for a better tomorrow. I just went live on YouTube. We did have a little hiccup where a dummy live went up and didn't work. I had to make another one, but we were just live on YouTube. You could have caught it. If you went on YouTube, you would have seen it. Can you display the marked order graph? Okay, so yeah, we're going to have to see what happens, guys. It's exciting to get a pump. You don't want to get too euphoric off of the pump and then just think we're going to the moon and then long the farm and then we wind up just coming down more. So just be very careful. We are still in a very fragile market, especially with everything going on in the Ukraine. Worst fake pump. Going nothing, gonna stay up until war is over. We're probs gonna see a dump harder this time. Now war is getting worse, not better. Sad times. Yes, Benny Crypto, very, very sad times. Hey, Frankie, are grid bots good to use on BTC trading environment like this? If not, when are grid bots most beneficial to use? Scott, to be 100% honest with you, I don't use bots. I don't really have much experience with bots. I mean, someone here in the office, Jay Chains from New Money Gang, follow New Money Gang. I'm sorry, New Money Gang, but Meta Money is their new show that they have on their channel. Go follow the guys over at Meta Money if you want to learn how to play video games and earn money. But Jay Chains has used KuCoin bots and said he had a really good experience. So I can't tell you that I've used them, but I trust him. He says the KuCoin bot is good, but I've never used a grid bot. Crypto Billy says blood diamond equals going lower. Yeah. So basically the blood diamond is just an indicator here on Market Cipher A, and the blood diamonds are these big red diamonds, and they indicate, as you can see pretty accurately, right? 2 blood diamonds, dump, blood diamond, dump, blood diamond, dump, yellow X, dump. The yellow X's also indicate usually big moves to usually the downside. Let's see. Getting blood diamond, but also getting pumped, so was confused. Okay, yeah, no, blood diamond is a bearish signal. What up, Frankie? Good to be on the stream again. Just want to say to the crew, never chase a trade, lol. Jonas, I know. I say it a lot. Don't FOMO into trades, right? A lot of people saw this move. If you didn't see this move, right, until, you check your phone and Bitcoin went from down here to up here and you see this, you're like, oh my goodness, we're going up. I'm going to get into the trade, and then we just get rejected. And that's why you never want to chase trades. But yeah, good advice. Hey, we have to learn through experience sometimes, so no big deal. Take it on the chin and just learn and apply that to your next trade. Smash those likes, folks. Frankie is a good boy. Frankie is a good boy. Thank you for that, MC. I appreciate you. MC, your ledger is in the mail. Let us know when you get it. It should be on the way. He did win our Ledger Nano S giveaway. Also, Obsessions 2024, I believe. Yeah, Obsessions 2024. If you are in the chat, you won our Cardano NFT giveaway. We're doing a lot of giveaways, guys. We already gave away a Nano S. We already gave a Cardano NFT. We're going to give away another Cardano NFT, okay? So we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways on this channel. It's super fun. I appreciate this community. We have one of the best communities on YouTube. Bit Squad strong, guys. Bit Squad strong. But yeah, so I like giving back to you guys because you guys support me, and it's coming out of my own pocket, guys. So just it's from me to you. This is not like, we're not like sponsored or anything. I have no affiliation with Ledger. I have no affiliation with these Cardano NFTs at all. I literally just bought this Cardano NFT because I thought it looked cool, and I wanted to give it away to you guys. Same thing with the Ledgers. Like, we're not sponsored at all. But yeah. Frankie was putting shorts in the trunk last night. Yes. Yeah. We were bagging. We were tagging and bagging them last night. We were tagging and bagging them. Let's see. When do you decide to get in, like now, shorting? When do I don't understand that question. I'm sorry. I think the blood diamond is when the 13 MA cards over the back. Bit Squad, hashtag Bit Squad, hashtag Bing Bong. Let's go. CandleMafia, let's go. Okay. Daily and 3-day chart look horrible. To beg ETH don't fall below 2K this crash. Yes, Benny Crypto. Yes, 3-day looks horrible. Weekly looks horrible. So just be careful. Don't get too euphoric off of this pump. And if you miss the trade, you miss the trade. It's okay. There's going to be another dump. There's going to be another pump coming, any minute. So don't saucy every night. I'm addicted to Frankie Candles. Sauce every night. Let's go. But yeah, so yeah, don't get too euphoric off of this pump, guys, and don't chase trades. Don't chase trades. How much is Market Cipher? I believe it's $600 for a year, $1,500 for a lifetime. I don't know why I said that so fast. Check out the BitBoy Cryptos deal page and go through there. I think you get a discount. I don't know how much of a discount, but I don't know the exact numbers, but go check it out. Will we ever see an alt season? We're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see. We haven't seen that alt season. We haven't seen that blow off crazy, alt season thing. Alts are going nuts. I think we possibly could stay. It depends on what happens with Bitcoin, obviously. Usually the alts go crazy when Bitcoin is going sideways. So we're going to have to see. I think it would be pretty weird if we never got an alt season at all. But, it's not impossible, but it is weird that we have not seen one yet. Let's see. It's gotta be the Gabagool. Love Gabagool. I hoped old boy didn't short into the pump. Love Dinero. Nope. We did not short into the pump. Unfortunately, I did miss this trade. I was working. But we missed it. But it's okay, because guess what? You could catch the next move down. You could catch the next move up. It's not a big deal. We made out like bandits last night, so it's no big deal. Sometimes you got to take your wins. If you miss the next trade, no big deal. Just enjoy your gains. Bought $100. It's a gala this morning. Blanchard's Bees. Let's go. I guess you probably got a pretty good price in then. Alt season is now. They're all low. It's the season to buy good projects cheap. Crypto Billy, good advice. But be careful buying your alts right now in case we are going to dump down and test those lower levels like the last all-time high at about 20K. If you guys don't know, that is kind of I subscribe to the team that if we do come down, I was saying, right? Look at these spider line, guys. You can't make this up. Look at bing, bang, bing, bang. So that's how we knew, guys. That's how we knew that this was a strong area support, right? That's why I was expecting this area to hold. So it's not magic, guys. It's just simple. It's simple. Keep it simple. I'm not doing crazy, not like solving crazy algorithms and stuff behind the scenes, guys. Look, bing, we bounce there. What happens if we come back down? Probably going to see a bounce. Not 100% of the time, right? I was saying if we did smash through this level, or if we did, bounce around and then break through this level, I did think that, our next level of support, I did think, it would be inevitable, right, that we would come down to these lows, around here during the summer dump at around 29K and low 30s. If we did break that, I do think if we do break that, I do think that's where we would find our next little support, right? Can we bounce off of here to go higher? Yes, that would be a running flat correction. That would play out perfectly. Excuse my crooked lines. These are just supposed to be trend lines, right? Where you come up, you come down, you come up, you make a higher high, and then you make a lower low, right? Lower low meaning lower. A higher low, meaning higher than this low right here, right? So this could still play out to be a running flat where we come out to break out to the upside. Or we could possibly come back down and test this level. Like I've been saying, we have not come back down to test this level down here again yet. We have not come back to test this level yet. So could be what we could see that, right? And then, if we break this spider line, I'm going to be feeling pretty bearish, to be honest. I don't know if we'll hold this level. We might just come crashing back down and then testing, testing that 20K level, which was the peak of the last bull run. So, where is that? I think it's right here. Yeah. That could be, this is kind of my bear market prediction. Not really a prediction, but this is kind of what I'm thinking right now. If we do go down, right, you might bounce around. And then, this is where you wind up starting to come up. But I think this is worse. In my opinion, I think this is probably worst case scenario without a crazy black swan event, like a war or something like that. I think worst case scenario, we will come down to 20. A lot of people are calling for 10. Some people are calling for 6K in a bear market. Not saying that stuff can't happen, but I do think, some people think 29 is going to be the bottom. So, nobody knows, right? No, if someone tells you they know exactly what's going to happen, they're wrong. They're lying. They're literally lying to you. Sure, they might guess and get lucky, but nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. Some people can be really good at predicting it, and they're going to be right sometimes, but they're also going to be wrong sometimes. So just remember that, guys. But yeah, so that's kind of my worst case scenario for the bear market, unless we see, a black swan event where something crazy happens. But yeah, are spider lines only available on Market Cypher? Hey, G-Man, I got some good news for you. You want the spider lines? You want these super, super, super strong levels of support and resistance? Look how reliable they are. Just before we talk about it, let's come down to a lower time frame. You hold these levels, right? And they stay here, right? As price moves, it continuously acts. Continuously respects these lines. Look at this. Support, resistance, resistance, support, support, support. They are very, very, very strong. And G-Man, I got some good news for you. If you, after the stream, head over to my channel and go over to the spider lines video. It's got a cute little spider in the thumbnail. You can't miss it. So head over there, click on that, and you can learn how to draw these spider lines on your chart as well. Okay. Yeah, nobody really knows. If we did, we would all be billionaires. Crypto Billy, I could not have said it better myself. That's not to say that you can't do some TA and make educated predictions, right? It's more probable, you might be like, I feel like, it's more based on my analysis. I think it's more probable that we go up or down, and you can get high win rates if you're good at that. But it doesn't mean that no one knows for a fact exactly what's going to happen. So just keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. All right, so let's check on chat real quick. I tried doing spider lines, but the ray option draws a line with the dots. I mean, that's what I have. Is that what you mean, like dotted lines? That's fine. You could just, if you want to change that, I'm not sure if it's exactly what you're talking about. If you want to change that, you could just double click, and then you could just click here, and you can make it a straight line like that. Whatever you prefer. I think mine are just dotted because they are like that. They're dashed because that's how they are default. Lines without dots. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I just changed mine to ones without dots. That's just a visual thing, just a preference. I think they're just or maybe, I don't know. Maybe they're lines default. I don't know, but that doesn't matter. That's just the visual, whatever you prefer. Bearish divergence forming on Luna on the 45-minute. Let's see. Luna, let's check it out. Where is she? I don't know why she's a girl. I feel like Luna. I feel like I met a dog that was a girl that was named Luna one time, so I just feel like it's a girl. Not that you can't be a boy named Luna, but bearish divergence on the 45-minute. Let's check it out. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. Who said that? I can't find you. Obsession 2024. Are you in here? Is she in here? I think she's in here. Let's go. Try to send me a friend request. Tyler. Okay, boom. Let's go. Yeah, Tyler, if you could get in touch with her, or Tony, somebody get in touch with him or her, or I don't know. Just get in touch with them, and so we can get in touch with them safely and we don't get a scammer. Thank you. Anyway, okay, so guys, here we go. I did the divergence video today, so I'll just go over it real quick, and then you guys can watch the video for more details. But here we go. So with the bearish divergence, what you're looking for is price to be making higher highs, right? Here you have a high, and here you have a high, and here you have a higher high, correct? Yes. And then what you're looking for on Market Cipher B is for, you want to see, can't talk, guys. Run on 60 minutes of sleep. You want to see Market Cipher B making lower highs, right? So you want it to be making just the opposite, right? So higher high, you high, higher high, and then on Market Cipher B, you want to get the high and then the lower high, right? And then if you draw your line, we talk about this on the channel a lot. You have a line going this way, and you have a line going that way, right? And it's opened up like an alligator mouth, right? We always talk about that. It's like an alligator mouth. That is a bearish divergence. So, and this one is actually confirmed. So yeah, let's see what happens. Typically, we will see price come down in this case. So yeah, maybe we'll see if that plays out. But thanks, whoever shouted that out. Chug the sauce. Matt T, I chugged sauce right before we went live, but I didn't click go live. I had BitBoy Crypto, Mr. Ben Armstrong himself. He did the intro to the show and everything. It was funny. He toasted to the CandleMafia. He said he loves you guys. He said you guys were strong in the morning chat. You guys were shouting me out in the morning chat. I appreciate that, guys. Thank you. That's huge. That's huge. I love that. He said it. He was like, man, he goes, I kept looking at chat. They kept looking for you, Frankie Candles. He goes, he was happy to see it. So he wanted to come down and say hi. And of course, we just weren't live on YouTube. Maybe it was the 16 minutes of sleep. I have the 2 empty cups of sauce that we drank. But hey, we're going to try to get him on tomorrow. We'll have it, we'll have him try to come on tomorrow to redo it. But yeah, back to the coffee, guys. Back to the coffee. Let's see. What's up, Frankie? Thanks. Thanks for info. No problem. Sharon, no problem. Obsession 2024, guys. Give it up for Obsession 2024. They are getting this beautiful Obsessions. If you haven't seen it yet, here you go. This is the NFT you're getting. Nice little dog nut, obviously blurred. We're a family-friendly channel, so they blurred out the dog's private parts. We got a little Yoshi, a little VR headset, it looks like, and then you got a little bit, little Atari mug. Pretty cool. I'm actually kind of not upset I have to give it away. I'm happy to give it away to you, but I was like, this one's cool. I would love to keep this one. But no problem. You know, I'm happy to give it to you, Obsession. Congratulations. What? All right, let's see. Bubba's Crypto, hashtag value. Let's go. I was 20 minutes late for your live stream. Dang. Matt T, no problem. We had a rough start anyway. No worries. Alligator mouth equals bearish divergence. Going to be on that test. Crypto Billy is writing up the quiz for you guys. So, hey, maybe we'll do that. Well, that's like a little quiz in the poll in the chat every stream, and we can see how much you guys are digesting. Heck yeah, we missed you this morning. We need the sauce during these hard times. Hashtag Bing Bong. Mark M says everyone wants Frankie. I appreciate that, guys. Keep it strong in that morning chat. Let Ben know you guys like me. That helps me out. Let's go. Happy to see you guys coming through strong. Let's see. 200 plus likes. Let's go. 290 in the chat. 290 concurrent viewers, guys. Welcome to the stream. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button if you like making that money, whether the price is going up or down. Are we in a bear market? Who knows? Is this a relief rally? Are we going back to all-time highs? Who knows? We're long-term hodlers, but we're also day traders. So we're making money whether we're shorting the market down or longing the market on the way up. So anyway, we're making money every day in 10 different ways. And if you want to make money in NFTs or playing video games, follow MetaMoney, follow NFT Update. We called the short yesterday on the stream if you're new here. So if you're watching the stream yesterday, you would have known about this possible short that we could have taken. And, you know, never financial advice, but I just show you guys what I see on the charts. What you guys do with the information is up to you. But we saw, we looked like it was going to dump. And we talked about it. And I got some pretty good profits last night. All right, 30% of you watching haven't smashed that like. Bubba's Crypto, let's go. CandleMafia. Back, we need a bing bong bad. Yes, we're getting the bing bong sound effect, hopefully. Gonna use it sparingly, right? It's only for the best of bing bongs. All right. Let's see. Do you get your own sign on the new building? Eddie, everyone's got a new sign. I was a newer channel, right? We kind of just started off. So hopefully soon we will get a sign up there. We're always repping for you in the morning stream. Lost Profit, I appreciate that. Hey, Frankie, what part of Italy are you from? My family is from Sicily. All right, Frankie making that bread. Let's go, John Connor. We're making the bread together, guys. That's why I make these calls on the stream. We look at the charts together. We find the good setups, and we make the money together. They were coming on strong, being kind of mean. Oh, no, that's not nice. V-Slim, thank you for being here. Welcome back. But yeah, appreciate you, Frankie. How we feeling about sand? Let's take a look. Let's take a look at sand, guys. Hopping right back into the charts. I don't know if I have sand on my thing. Let's pop it up here. Pop it up. Pop it up. Pop it up, guys. All right. Got to get that coffee going, guys. 16 minutes of sleep last night. Shout out to anyone in the midnight stream yesterday. We were going till 2 a.m., baby. We're having crypto parties all night long. We don't stop for nobody. All right, let's take a look here. Sand, random line. Look at that, guys. One of the best random lines I've ever seen. Okay. All right. Let's see. Starting over on the daily, right? Bada boom. All right, coming down to this support level, right? Wow. Is this right? Did sand just didn't move at all with that pump? Interesting. Okay. So yeah, daily in the red, VWAP coming up though. That could be a good sign. Let's pull up Market Cipher A and see if anything's just screaming in our face here. Let's look at the daily, 2-day. VWAP coming up on the 2-day. VWAP coming up on the daily. Could bring us up. 18-hour, we are above the zero line. Looks like we could reject. Right, guys? I said this yesterday. You never want to front run. Oh, I guess we came down below the zero line, but you never want to front run VWAP, right? Because you could come up. Oh, we're going to cross over. I'm going to long. money flow is coming up. We're going to long, and then you get rejected back down. You want to wait for a confirmation above the zero line, this white line in the middle of the waves, right? You want to wait for a confirmation above these lines. But yeah. Okay, so yellow X on the 18-hour. That's not good. That is not good. That is a long time frame. But yeah, we'll see. You are coming up to support here at about $2.96. So we'll see if you could hold that. Wouldn't be longing this support right here, even though we are coming down to a pretty strong support. You have resistance right here. You have support, right? So it is a strong level, but you don't want to be long in these green dots when you have a yellow X there. This yellow X could bring you down. All right, checking 16-hour yellow X, 8-hour yellow X is everywhere. Oh, another yellow X. What about that 6-hour? Yeah, VWAP coming up, right? But you're probably testing this as resistance, so you could bounce back off of that, but maybe this VWAP could bring you up. Yeah, red on the money flow curving down on the 1-hour. Let's go back to the daily real quick. Yeah, I mean, let's see if you can hold this support. You do have the yellow X's, so just be careful. I wouldn't really be long in the farm off of this. Not saying that it wouldn't be a good trade. I'm just saying be cautious around those yellow X's. Okay, let's see. Memphis Nick says, gnocchi versus eggplant parm. I got to go chicken parm every single time. Chicken parm is one of my favorite dishes. I could eat chicken parm all day. Popping fresh dough. Let's go. Popping that fresh dough, baby. All right. What a sip, Austin says. Yeah, we like to that slurp, though. Yeah, guys, I'm a loud drinker. Oh, nice. My wife is half, and I'm a collaborator. Oh, nice, man. Nice. Yeah, gotta love your Sicilians. You know what I'm saying? We get a little loud at the dinner table, right? You might come into our nice warm family dinner, and you're like, walk in, and you're like, do these guys hate each other, or do they love each other? They're having a normal conversation, but they're just screaming at each other. It's if you ever been to an Italian dinner, you know what I'm talking about. How do you know something has been confirmed when talking about the money flow and VWAP? Okay, so I'll explain that right now, right? So here you go. Random line, guys. Another beautiful random line. Maybe we should take my random lines I draw on the chart and turn them into NFTs. Hey, actually, I was talking to DZ and Justin from NFT Update. How would you guys feel about doing a free NFT Frankie Candles NFT drop? Would you guys be interested in that? Now, I think it would be a Cardano NFT. And I think it would so technically, I think it would probably wind up costing you like 5 ADA, because I think you have to pay like fees and stuff or whatever. But it would just be for the fees and stuff, right? So like Cardano fees, if you guys have ever used it, very, very, very small fees. But how would you guys feel about CandleMafia NFT drop that you guys get for free? If you're part of the community, we'll just kind of airdrop them to you. I'm not 100%, I'm not the biggest NFT guy. I mean, I do trade NFTs, but when it gets into the technicalities, DZ and Justin are the experts. So question about timeframes and trading. How long can you expect the trade to play out on a 1-hour chart? I'm highlighting that, Captain Kirk. Thank you for that. But yeah, so they were talking about maybe doing an airdrop to the community with free Frankie Candles NFT, and we were starting to think about the art and what we could do with the art and the CandleMafia and stuff like that, guys. They got me excited. It's something I'm definitely interested in, and Hope says yes. I want 19. Let's go. I want a Frankie Candles NFT. Come on. Okay. All right. You guys want the NFTs? All right. So we will talk to that. Let's do this. OG NFTs. Yeah, I think this will be cool. How do you tell if something has been confirmed? Yes. All right, we're talking confirmation, and I'm going to answer Captain Kirk's question that she let me know about. So real quick on the confirmations, right here on Market Cipher B, let's say, okay, so let's say, here, I'll explain it with the green dot, right? It works for everything. But so when you print green dots here on the blue momentum waves, right? You see this green dot. Now, right now we're on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, if you don't know, right? If you don't already know, each candle on the daily chart represents a full day of price action. So you only print, meaning one of these candles, a new candle pops up every day, only once a day, right? On the daily time frame. So when you're seeing these green dots print, right? You see this green dot right here. You have 24 hours where that green dot can pop up and then it can disappear. And then it can pop up and then it can disappear. So you don't want to trade based off of a signal until the next candle prints. Once that next candle prints, this candle is locked in and that green dot is confirmed. So I hope that answers your question. Okay, so let's see. Question about time frames and trading. How long can you expect the trade to play out on a 1 hour chart, 30-hour chart, 1 day chart, 15-minute chart, etc., minutes, hours, days? Okay. So it depends, right? It depends. I see the NFT stuff in chat. Okay, beautiful. Make the move. CandleMafia NFTs are boss. Jimmy Two Shoes, let's go. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, I think it would be really cool. And like I said, like they're not gonna like be minting at like 500 ADA or 10,000 ADA, whatever. Like it's gonna be a free airdrop. You would just have to pay the fees basically, which would be like a couple bucks, depending on what Cardano. If Cardano's 20 cents, or if it goes down, it'll be whatever. But yeah, very very basically costs nothing. But yeah, so let's see. Okay, so when you're talking about time frames, right? How long can a play wind up taking you? So let's go ahead and use our replay tool. Let's see. Let's come off sand. Let's go to Bitcoin, right? So let's pretend, right? We're on Bitcoin, and let's pretend that not the day. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay. So let's pretend this didn't happen yet, right? So let's go ahead and do our replay tool. Bada boom. Okay. So let's say, right, you're looking at the chart, right? And it can't, it's printing candles, and you're like, oh, okay, we're coming up to this resistance. Maybe I'm going to be looking for a scalp short, right? Now we are on the 4 hour time frame. We're looking for a scalp short. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right, we're rejecting. Okay, okay, boom. Let's come down to, actually, maybe we'll go to the 1 hour because that's what you said. Let's just restart this over. I got to get a bigger screen, guys. This is obnoxious. Okay, so let's pretend that this never happened. And then, okay, so you're coming along, you're watching the chart. You're like, okay, all right, we're pumping a little bit. Okay, boom, boom. We're coming up to resistance now. Okay, testing the resistance. Okay, boom, we're getting rejected, right? Coming up to this spider line. And let's say, just for example, typically, I guess the short answer is on the longer time frames, depending on like your trades are going to be longer on the longer time frames, right? If you're scalping and you want to be in and out of a trade in a couple minutes or a couple hours, and you want to have multiple trades a day, you're going to naturally trade the shorter time frames, right? You're going to be trading the 1, 3, 5, 15 minute, right? You're going to be scalping those short-term trades. If you're trading so let's say, right, you put a short in, let's say you put a short in right here, right? And you're looking for, say 5%, say you're looking for we'll say you're looking for 5% profit, right? About 5%. And then, so now this is the 1 hour chart, right? So you're letting it play out. Okay, cool. It's going our way. Oh, nice. It's going our way. Boom. All right, cool. Boom. All right, we hit our take profit, right? How long did that take? Let's see. From when you entered on, from about here, right? All the way to right here. So that would have taken 12 hours to get that gain, right? So now if you come down to the 3 minute, right? If you come on down, okay, we're just deleting that fib. Okay, so if you come on down to the 5 minute, say, right? And let's just say, I'm not going to look for an actual good setup. We're just going to say you shorted this. You just shorted here because you thought it was going to go down, right? So obviously on a smaller time frame, this does look like a huge move, but it's a little less, right? Because we're on a smaller time frame, so the moves are not as big. But how long would this have taken, right? If you took this trade would have only taken you 9 minutes, right? So if you took that trade, you would have made, 3% in 9 minutes. So yeah, the shorter time frames, you'll be in a trade way shorter, a way shorter period of time on the smaller time frames. If you want to be in a trade, if you want to enter trades where you're just kind of entering and you don't want to look at your phone or the computer every 5 minutes to check the trade, you might want to enter longer term trades. You have to wait because instead of right here, you're only waiting 3 minutes for another candle to pop up, right? 3 minutes goes by, another candle. 3 minutes go by, another candle. On the hourly, you have to wait a whole hour for another candle. So naturally, you'll be in your trades for much longer on the longer time frames. I hope that answers the question. All right, let's check. Rich after Jamal says, Rich, after a few months when you blow up, let's get those NFTs cracking for the Mafia. Let's go. Hopefully we could get rich after a few months. That would be amazing. Will the CandleMafia NFT grant me access to hang out with you in the metaverse? Hey, Bubba's Crypto. The cool thing is we could probably work stuff in eventually like that. That would be cool. Yeah, we'll definitely, it'll definitely give you, maybe it gives you a special access to a specific channel on the Discord. Speaking of Discord, guys, Discord, come soon. We found somebody that we think is, somebody within our company that is a big Discord guy, right? I think he said next Sunday he could be able to get it up for us. So Discord has been in the works. We took care of it today. It is currently being worked on as we speak. It's going to be super fun. I'm going to share my TA with you guys, let you know if I see any good setups, so we don't have to jump on the stream every single time. Or if we don't see something on the stream and then we leave and 2 hours later I see something and I want to let you guys know real quick, I can kind of just text you on Discord, send you pictures, send you my charts. You guys can talk to each other and learn from each other. It's going to be a really, really good place for everybody to learn. Okay. Let's see. Can I play football with my NFT? V-Slim, I mean, you can do whatever you want with your NFT. Blue triangle on the 2-hour Bitcoin chart. We can look at that. The knowledge, Jimmy Two Shoes says the knowledge is real. 100 chart boss. Let's go, Jimmy Two Shoes. Jimmy Two Shoes is an OG from the Boogie Down Bronx. He's representing the New Yorkers in here. Let's go. Will it do tricks? Yes, the NFT will sit if you tell it to. Let's see. Asaro says, love your show, Frankie. What's your take on GraphLink protocol, GLQ? We can take a look at it in just a minute. Can we look at Cardano? It's starting to dip again. Yes, we'll take a look at Cardano. Hey, let me write these down so we don't forget. GLQ, Cardano, GLQ, ADA. I'm writing them down, guys. I'm writing them down. We will get to them. Getting nervous, about to sell the bag I got today at 97 cents. Okay. Listen, all right, let's look at Cardano here. Let's look at, I'm just going to finish these chats real quick and then we'll look. Picked up a little Matic during the dump. Let's go. Polygon is goodbye too. Even dot. Oh, even dot. I'm so shot. Sorry, guys. Didn't mean to run there. I'm new to CNFTs. Wallet recommendations. Nami Wallet. Nami Wallet. It's actually I have mine right here. NAMI. Nami Wallet. Hashtag value Wendell. Hey, glad you guys are learning. Bet I've been waiting for the Discord. Let's go, Austin. Spin that wheel. Let's do it. Guys, 242 likes. If you have not smashed the like button and you want to get 3 spins on the wheel, let's get those likes up. This spin doesn't count. We're doing it for fun. We're doing it for fun, guys. Let's go. Okay. I've been wanting the Discord. Hashtag value all day, day. Hope. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Looks like we are getting a bear land. Okay. NFT, I will go to work on your first Frankie Candles NFT and send it to you, bro. All free. This community is amazing. They deserve it. Crypto Billy, that's cool, man. That's cool. I appreciate that. Matt T says, thanks, brother. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Crypto Anon says, yeah, buddy. If you wait for confirmation, how are you limiting into the trade and not missing entry? That's the thing. So you'd rather not front run something. I see you, Captain Kirk. I caught that comment right away. Let's go. Okay. You don't want to, so if you front run, right, and you don't wait for a confirmation, and then the green dot turns into a red dot and you dump, you're going to get wrecked, right? But if you just wait for the confirmation, you miss out on a little bit of gains. I'd rather miss out on a little bit of gains and still make profit than get rejected and lose money. So I hope that answers your question. Has been asking if you'll take a look at SLP. Okay, writing it down. Let's see. Sorry, trying to keep everything. What is it? SLP. We'll take a look at it. Okay, cool. Got it. Okay. Captain's the best. Okay. Did we see any price action today? Yes, we saw crazy price action today. Absolutely, Chadwick. All right, let's see. Thank you for being here, Chadwick. Welcome back. Okay, so let's start with Cardano. Yeah. Oh, guys, don't you love these regular candles? Right? Look how cool these regular candles are. Love it. Love it. I'm just kidding. Let's go back to Heikenashi's. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Okay, so you bought in at 97 cents. Wait, what? What in the world? Okay. I think maybe you meant, maybe you didn't mean to say 97 cents. But anyway, okay, so let's take a look. I actually did delete all of my lines off of Cardano, so let's just get our typical lines back at $1. Boom. And then, yeah, where is, yeah, it's like right here. Sorry, roughing out these lines, guys. I deleted them when I was making the divergence video because I just wanted to have a clean thing, and I forgot to redraw them. But yeah, you know, coming in at 85 cents. How far are we from this level? Where'd it go? Boom. Okay, so we're still 20% away. Okay. Yeah, so right now, on the daily, right, I got a lot of weird little lines here. Dipping back into the red on your daily. RSI kind of bottoming out there. That could be a decent sign, but coming into the red on the money flow, you know, yeah, VWAP looks like it's actually trying to come up a little bit on the 16 hours. Look at the 4 hour. You know, in the red, VWAP up. Maybe we see money flow starting to curve up a little bit. Look at that. Hey, guys, as you can see here, this little bullish divergence. Boom, 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 boom. And then you got that little pop to the upside. Look at that. So, yeah, okay. But yeah, this does look like, I mean, maybe you come out, you print another candle in 8 minutes. Maybe you come up a little bit more. But yeah, let's see. Let me get rid of that. Okay. Let's look at the 1 hour. VWAP coming down on the 1 hour. Let's check the lower time frames. See what's going on. Money flow slightly coming down as the VWAP as well. Let's look at the, yeah, let's look at the 15-minute. Ooh, maybe get a little popski here. Hey, 15-minute. So a lot of times, guys, I mean, you want to be careful with this, right? You see that, you know, the wave came down, right, and didn't even cross the zero line. You printed another green dot. You have the VWAP coming up, right? You tried to come up, got rejected, came back deeper, and then now you're crossing up. So maybe you get a little short-term pump out of Cardano. So I wouldn't be freaking out just yet. I wouldn't be freaking out just yet. You said you bought at 97 cents. You know, you could come up in the short term, but you know, we'll have to see what happens with Bitcoin, right? Because if Bitcoin dumps, right? I say this all the time. You got to watch Bitcoin when you're looking at your alts. You want to make sure you pay attention to Bitcoin, right? Because if Bitcoin goes down, your alt's going to get crushed, as we found out yesterday. I mean, we knew already, but it was very, very apparent yesterday. Hey, Crypto Anon says, Mafia Discord, let's go. Chuck Smith says, Frank Diesel, let's go. I took a trade in Gala yesterday following Market Cipher. I'm still in profit. I'm thinking to take profit at 39 cents. What do you think it will hit in a week or a month, or if it can go below 8 cents? I'm hoping it goes to 8 cents because I'm going to buy the heck out of it. Okay, so let's take a look at those other coins that you guys wanted to see. I don't want to forget. Okay, so GLQ, KuCoin. Let's see. Let's take a look. Coming over to the daily, right? A lot of these are going to look the same, guys. A lot of these are going to look the same. You know, VWAP coming down. Looks like you're going to print a red dot. Probably going to print, yeah, probably going to print a red dot right there. Let's look at the 12-hour. Yeah, VWAP down, printing a red dot, right? Here's an example of confirmation. Right now, we have 5 minutes left in this 12-hour candle, right? So you have 5 minutes. So this red dot could disappear in the next 5 minutes. That's why you don't want to trade until something's confirmed. because this can unprint. This red dot can disappear. And then, you can wind up, if you just entered a short, not saying you should enter shorts based off red dots, but if you enter a short because you think it looks bearish as a red dot, and then it disappears and you wind up going bullish, you're going to get wrecked. Worst case scenario, sure, maybe you missed out, if you might have missed out from this candle to this candle, you might have missed out on this little gain, but, I'd rather lose out on a little bit of gains than lose money. Okay, let's see, 4 hour. 4 hour with a, okay. I mean, the 4 hour is printing a little bit of a divergence. Here you go, lower low, right? Lower low, you got that slanted line down. And now you're printing a higher high, right? I'm sorry, a higher low on market cipher B. That is a bullish divergence. You did come up a little bit. So you can see maybe that plays out a little more. You also do have the VWAP coming up, right? So you got the bullish divergence with the VWAP coming up. There's a little confirmation that you could be moving to the upside. So yeah, maybe you come up on the 4 hour. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. In the red on the money flow, but you got this nice little trigger wave that could print. So I hope that helps you out. Let's see. Guys, I hope I'm keeping the energy up. I really am pretty exhausted today just because of that stream last night. But you guys got a double dose of the sauce last night, so I'm happy to do that for you guys. All right. I mean, you don't got to ask me twice to wake up in the middle of the night and hang out with my friends and make some money together. I mean, come on. What do I look like? All right. And then SLP, right? We just looked. This is okay. Yeah. So let's look at SLP. There you go. Again, 4 hour coming up with momentum, right? Coming up, and then price making lower lows. There you go. And then you came up, guys. This is a perfect example of bullish divergences. Boom. You're always going to see, most of the time, not always, but most of the time, you're going to see these green candles right after the bullish divergence. So there you go. That's the sauce. I'm not going to go too deep into it because we're coming out with the video, but there you go. There's SLP for you. So maybe you come up in the short term just a little bit. Let's see. Has been asking if you take a look. Okay, beautiful. Did that. Thanks to Tyler Durden for getting me in. Obsession, yes, no problem. Tyler's the man, and congratulations on the NFT giveaway. Let's see. I tried drawing the spider lines on my video, off the video, but my lines come in accurate for some reason. Interesting. Did you, if you watched the whole video, I would recommend, because I did mention a tip that you could, here, I'll just go through it real quick right here. Get your notebooks, get your bowls, get your pasta, get your macaroni, because we're giving you the sauce, guys. I'm pulling it out right here. We've actually drank an alarming amount of that. Look, ooh. All right. So, on Bitcoin, okay, let's just look at, oh yeah, we already looked at this. Okay, so Bitcoin, okay, so here we are, right? Here is where on the weekly, you want to draw them. Maybe you're not, are you making sure that you're on the weekly time frame? You have to draw them on the weekly time frame. So, all right, so here you are, right? So let's just delete this one so I can redraw it with you. What you want to do is you want to grab the ray tool, right? And if you don't want to get all tedious and trying to lay it right on top of this candle, click the magnet tool, right? Go from the top. Also, key thing, you have to go from the top of the body, not the top of the wick, right? And then you want to come over and hover your mouse right over this candle and then click again, and you can see it places it for you. So I don't know if you use the magnet technique. If you're getting inaccurate reads, try the magnet. It might help you out. I hope that helps you. All right, let's see. Love getting sauced with the fam. Let's go, Hope. Let's go. Salut, Frankie. Appreciate your insight as always. Hashtag Bing Bong. Hashtag value. Hashtag Italian Battalion. Let's go. Let's go. Blockchain eye strain. Let's go. We were feeling the blockchain eye strain last night at 2 in the morning on stream. Let's see. Frankie, you need to give yourself a day off. You've earned it. Blanchard's Bees, I appreciate that. Maybe we'll hit, night off on the wheel tonight. I will say this. We're already an hour and 13 minutes in. I'm going to try to stick around for the full 2 hours, but maybe might kick out just a little bit early and try to get home and get some sleep. I did come to work at normal time today for the most part, and had a full day of work as well. So definitely lack of sleep tonight. Let's see, Frankie NASA here from Oman. Check AVL, please. Let's check AVL, please. Okay, they don't have it. It's probably a very small coin, is what I'm assuming, if there's no chart coming up on TradingView. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. Let's see. Just making sure I'm not missing any Captain Kirk's. Coffee Boss, forget about it. Jimmy Two Shoes, let's go. All right, let's see. Thank you, Captain Kirk. Thank you, Frankie and Captain Kirk. Of course, Christine. Anytime. Where do you typically anchor your trend lines? I think they mean. Oh, okay. Like you're looking for like the actual candles that I draw them on. So this is where I have mine. I'll just show you where I have mine. So I draw mine. The first one I have is on July 23rd, 2018. If you missed that, it's July 23rd, 2018. And then I basically draw them, on all the candles until you get to a point where, like, if you want to draw it here, you can't rest it on top of the candle without cutting through all of these other candles and the top of this candle. So that's really kind of where I stop, but I draw them on all these and stuff. Yeah. So I hope that helps you. Yeah, July 23rd is where I have my first one, and then all the candles to the right until I can't anymore. Hope that helps. Frankie, kick out early, man. We got you. Crypto Billy, I appreciate it. AVAX, we will take a look at AVAX. Matic, yep. Loving the channel. Ryan Knees, like knees, like Blanchard's The Bee's Knees? Or is it Niaz or Niaz? But yeah, anyway, Ryan, welcome to the stream. Happy to have you, brother. Let's see. If you've ever wondered, I asked BCB in a stream the other day if we could pick price patterns out easier if we adjusted for inflation of the dollar on the longer time frames. He said it's not needed. Okay. Frankie, okay, yeah, XRP, Matic, AVAX. XRP, Matic, AVAX. XRP. I don't know why I'm typing this in. I have it right here. XRP, AVAX, Matic. XRP, AVAX, Matic. This is what I have to do to not forget when I'm tired, guys. Is what it is. Is what it is, guys. All right, let's see. Okay, XRP coming in at about 69 cents. Switch over to regular 63 cents. Or no, yeah, 69 cents. Okay. So let's see. 4 hour, right? Daily VWAP coming up, as you guys know, with a lot of this stuff. VWAP coming up. Coming down. 4 hour. Excuse me. Look at that. Bullish divergence. Look at this. We'll go from here. From here to here. And then here to here, right? So you got price coming down, momentum coming up. Wow, it's crazy how much straighter the lines are when you go fast. So you're coming down that way, you're coming up that way, little pinch point, and then look, you came up, guys. So look at that. Not going to go over the divergences anymore because we're going to go into it in the video. Yo, Frankie, I'm back in here. What's the word? Jeremy, Flip 14. What's going on? Welcome back. We're just taking a look at XRP here. We're taking a look at XRP. So yeah, all right. So let's put a line right there. So you have this support resistance that flipped into support right here, right? Horrible circle right here. And then you broke out, you popped back up, and now you are trying to test that area. As you can see, you're coming down, tested it as support, and now you're working your way up. And you got this is the 45-minute VWAP coming up, probably going to print a green dot on the top of this wave. Maybe you come up and test this level at about 75 cents. So keep a lookout for that. But let's take a look at the lower time frames. Yeah, VWAP coming down, but you're in the green with the money flow. Yeah, I mean, you'll have to watch it, obviously, depending on what Bitcoin does. Let's see. Appreciate the knowledge, Frank. Love De Niro anytime. Frank the Tank, what's going on? Chuck Smith, welcome. Lots of the alts setting up good. Yes, very true. Maybe this is the alt season. 400 likes. You gotta do a 50 cent. You gotta do a 50 cent and stream upside down. Hey, I just pop up. It starts off on set. I'm not even here, and I just do the little. I just come down like 50 Cent does in the that music video. Yes, maybe we'll do that. We'll have to set up like a little pull-up bar over here or something. Seem like they're about to launch off. Yeah, love De Niro. Some of the alts don't look too bad. Luna. Let's take a look at Luna real quick. you can see continuing higher, right? So we drew out this bearish divergence, right, where you had price coming up, momentum coming down, but you might be just printing a longer divergence, right? Because price is continuing to go higher, and momentum is continuing to come down, right? So technically, you still have bearish divergence on here. Whoa, what happened? Yeah, so technically, you still have a bearish divergence. You got the VWAP coming down, so maybe this is where you see it play out, or maybe you just get another little correction. You continue up, right? So it doesn't play out 100% of the time. Nothing does. Nothing, I always say that. Nothing ever plays out 100% of the time, but the divergences are, oh yeah, they're the sauce. Divergences are the sauce. One of the main ingredients in the sauce. All right, let's see. Seems, okay. Hey, Frankie, any chance of a video on how to use a Ledger cold storage wallets, hashtag value sauce, hashtag bing bong? Thank you for that, Illusions of Hope. Yeah, we could do something. I personally don't use much cold storage, but yeah, we could pop a video up there. I think Ben might have a couple videos about that on his channel if you want to check that out. But if not, yeah, we could probably make a video about that. Frankie, how about checking out Metis? Metis USDT, Poloniex, Uniswap. I guess we'll look at Poloniex. Yeah, this is where is okay. Weird old candles. Yeah, this is hard to read. This is yeah. Is this like a, what is this? Is this like a super low cap coin? These are hard to read. I mean, I'll tell you this: you got money flow coming into the red. There's not really a lot of information here. It's a this chart is very. To be honest, I don't really feel comfortable doing an analysis on this just because it's such a young chart. When did this come out? Yeah, this is not a. Yeah, this is a. I don't know if it's a chart that's young or. Yeah, I don't know. I'll be honest with you. Just from this, doesn't look great. It just looks like it's been doing nothing but going down. But hey, I don't really, not very. I mean, look at the 1 hour. Yeah, kind of weird. Weird looking chart. I bet you that's a low cap alt. Would you say Luna is a buy? Frankie, you're awesome, my man. Red Robbles, I appreciate that. Getting ready to plant some seeds. Let's go. Frankie, okay. Would you say Luna is a buy? Let's take a look. I to be honest, right, you don't want to buy into a pump, right? This is indeed a pump. You don't want to buy, inevitably, right? Especially you got the 1 hour VWAP coming down. You're gonna come down. You already came up, you already came up 25% about. You don't want to buy into a 25% pump. That's my general, not financial advice, but could it go higher? Of course. I mean, anything can happen, but like I would never buy into this. You don't want to buy into a 25% pump. Nothing goes up forever. You start feeling FOMO when things go like, oh my God, I'm gonna miss it. This thing will come down again. So don't FOMO into the pump. I never recommend that. Luna's been weird this week or two. Opposites of expanded trends. Please hit those likes, guys, if you haven't already. Hashtag CandleMafia, Bubba's Crypto. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. I think we can hit 300. We had 300 viewers at the beginning of the stream. So, hey. Oh, God, I cannot believe I messed up that thing with Ben. Oh, God. It was so fun. Harmony 1. We can check out Harmony 1 right now. I'm highlighting you. Check out. Sorry, I'm late. Let's go, Frankie. Luke Simmons, welcome back. So much energy in here. Bing bong all night long, Frankie. You're doing a great job, kiddo. Christine, I appreciate you, Christine. I appreciate you. Oh God, why am I like this? I always say that. Why am I like this? I am the way they made me. I'm not gonna fake anything for anybody. You guys get me the way I am. Any pro tips or resources for a first timer at shorting cryptos? Yes, I have a perfect place. Perfect resource. It's called Frankie Candle's YouTube channel. Tons of good videos in there to get you started on shorting. Check out the Femex tutorial. I show you how to open up an account and how to enter trades. I actually enter a trade in that video just so you guys can see how to do it step by step. I show you how to use the program or the website, the trading platform. So definitely check out the Femex tutorial. Okay. What'd you say? Harmony 1. Let's see. Harmony 1. Let's take a look. Let's take a look-see here. Okay. All right, so you popped up. We're on the 1 hour here. I'm just going to start here because this is where we are. So you popped up, right? You came down and tested this little area of support, and you printed a nice little green dot right there. But notice how the VWAP, right? Notice the VWAP came up, right? You're up above the 0 line, and then you came down, and then you rejected back up. I wouldn't expect this to be the biggest move. If it was a big move, right? What's this little channel here? Yeah, I mean, I don't know if you're going to come up 10% from that, but I would say, like, you know, you are coming up to, you know, this area about here. Okay, I don't know how that line jumped over there. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, you'll probably, you know, reject off of this and maybe play around in this channel or break back out. But let's see. Let's check lower time frames. Let's check the 15-minute. Oh, nice little trigger wave. Well, yeah, nice. Did get a nice little trigger wave here with the VWAP and the money flow curving up. So maybe you could break this yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. All right, let's see. Do you use cold storage? What's your preferred method for storing your HODL coins? I'll be honest, guys. I mean, I just keep them. I keep them on, you know, in just hot wallets and exchanges. I don't really cold storage. Here's the thing with cold storage for me personally, just my personal opinion. I know it's really safe. You can put it in. You can put it in your safe at home. It's, you know, it's off exchanges. You can't get hacked. Two noobs anytime. You know, I understand that it's very, very, you know, safe, but for me, it's like, I don't know, you know, it's hardware. Hardware can fail. Hardware can get lost. Hardware can break. You know, I'm willing to take the risk of keeping my stuff on a hot wallet. You know, it's just, it's cold. I just haven't used cold storage. I just never really did it. But, you know, definitely a safer way to store your crypto. I'm not saying it's not the safer way. Totally is. I just personally don't use it. But let's see. I even stayed to the end and used the magnet, went to the weekly and confirmed, and then paused my video multiple times to make sure I'm adding it right. And you're still having problems, Vante? Interesting. That is interesting. Very interesting. Are you using Heikinashi candles? You want to make sure you're on Heikinashi candles. We're just trying to solve this problem throughout the whole stream. I'm with you. I'm with you here, man. Make sure you're on Heikinashi candles. Okay. Let's see. You the man, Frankie, by the way. Vante, no problem. We're gonna get this figured out for you. Don't you worry. Love your energy and your TA. Keep crushing it. Aaron, or as some people say, AA Ron, thank you. I appreciate you. Cold storage, yeah, from panic selling at work. Hey, Chaz, that might be the best reason for cold storage is you can't panic sell it. Good point. Thoughts on H-bar? Picked up some recently. Recent chatter about Elon possibly backing H-bar. Thanks. Yeah, I know there's tweets and stuff. I wish Elon Musk would just keep his mouth shut, to be honest. You know, I think Elon Musk kind of just gets on he's just on a high horse. Like, he gets off on the power of being able to move the markets and stuff. Like, and you know, like, he knows he can move the market, and like sometimes he just dumps the markets, and he doesn't realize that, you know, there's some people, retail traders and retail investors who are just trying to better their life with investing, and he's just wrecking these people. I used to be a fan of Elon Musk, and I found out a lot of stuff about him I didn't know. I actually really don't like him at all. So anyway, without getting too you know, too ranty over here, let's see. I could kind of see Elon Musk turning out to be like, everyone loves him, and then he turns out to be like an evil villain. I could kind of see that playing out. Anyway, H-bar, I missed out on H-bar. I actually heard about H-bar. I didn't get in really early, but I heard about it super, super early, and I just never bought it. You know, so you can only buy so many coins, right? Do I have H-bar here? I don't know. We're just gonna type it in. H-bar. Oh, this is Bybit. Close enough. You know what? Nah, we're not gonna do a half job here. We'll go Binance. It's basically the same thing, but okay, look at nice little trigger wave on the 15-minute, similar to I don't even remember whatever we were looking at before. But yeah, VWAP coming up. This is the 15-minute, obviously. You know, maybe you come up and test this level again, this level that you got rejected off of. I mean, you're basically there, but you know, you got support. Why did that go down there? You got support like right here. Rough lines, guys, rough lines. But yeah, maybe you play around in here. Maybe you can break out with this little green dot. You'll have to see. Let's check just the daily. Looking the same as, almost the same as everything else. You got the VWAP coming up. Came up from air a little bit, came back down. So yeah, maybe you come up a bit. Maybe you come up a bit. And then you do have the bullish divergence as a yeah, maybe. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I mean VWAP could bring you up. VWAP could bring you up a little bit. 12-hour, you know, VWAP coming up. Yeah, maybe you come up just a little bit. You know, a little bullish divergence here. Yeah, price coming down, momentum coming up. Oh, lower time frame, deep in the green, deep in the green, deep in the green. Yeah. Yeah, that little trigger wave, I don't know really what to make it. Sometimes these bring you up a ton, and then sometimes sometimes they could be indicative of just sideways action. You'll get that little green dot, and then you'll print another red dot, and then you'll print a green dot, and then you put a red dot, and sometimes it just brings you sideways. But you are in the green, right? So that's making me feel like it's probably going to bring you up. So maybe you can break through this resistance. Let's see. Oh yeah, Vontae, you're on log. Okay, you're on log. Thank you. Did you figure it out, Vontae? Let me try log scale. Yeah, log. Yeah, you got to be in log. Thank you, Mark, for helping him out. I have a trading portfolio and a HODL portfolio, and I'm thinking of moving my HODL off of the exchange. Hey, then cold storage might be good. Cold storage might be good. Tony D says, welcome everyone. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss out on any sauce. One of the best and most rapidly growing communities in crypto. I would agree with that, Tony. I would agree with that. Let's see. I like that. Smash those likes, y'all. Would you say the most charts are forming a cup and handle formation on what time frame? On what time frame? Yeah, it depends on what time frame you're looking at. Let's see. Okay. Given the current world situation, I'm looking into a cold storage. Maybe Book of Eli life coming soon. Elon is a problem with the market the same way meme coins are. Yeah, Chadwick, I could agree with that. Okay, let's see. I love the way you said that the divergence was showing momentum. I have been trying to figure that out. Hey, Dougie Doolittle. What's going on, man? Yeah, well, I'm glad you got some value out of that. Can we look at SHIB so we can have a laugh? Sure, I like laughing. It's one of my favorite things to do, guys. Fun fact, Frankie Candles loves to laugh. I don't know what I am. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, long-term downtrend there. I mean, hey, held that support. Yeah, I mean, I don't invest in meme coins, guys. I invest in things that have long-term value. Doge is goated as the OG meme coin. You know, Doge could be around for the long-term future. Maybe SHIB will too. But I invest in things that actually have use case. SHIB has like no use case to my knowledge. The only people think SHIB can hit $1. See, the problem with these is it sucks in the new people, right? These new people think that they see this cheap price. And I just want to say this in case anyone in chat doesn't know. I'm sure a lot of you guys know this, but the meme coins suck in the new people, which I actually love, right? When I talk to people that wouldn't get into crypto and eventually they're like, I finally bought into crypto, and I'm like, what did you buy? And they're like, Doge. And I'm like, why? But I do love that because we need coins like that to get new people into crypto, right? So I do love that. And, you know, but with the meme coins, what it does is it sucks these new people in it because you see the price and you're like, I can't afford you know, a $30,000 Bitcoin or whatever the price is at the time. They're like, I can't even afford one Bitcoin, but I could afford 1 million of these. If that goes to the price of Bitcoin, I'll be rich. And unfortunately, that's just not how it works. It's just simply not how it works. And it's very easy for people who are new in crypto to see it like that. They're like, if all I needed to do, I just put $500 in, man. If it goes to $1, I'll be a millionaire. It's not going to go to $1. It is not going to go to $1. For SHIB to hit $1, it would have to be, I don't know what the number is, but it's got to be like 1,000 times the market cap of like every market in the world. There's not enough money in the world for SHIB to have a market cap that big for it to hit $1. And people don't understand that. You have to understand market cap to figure out, you know, if a coin can hit $1. Now, the only way that and then you say that to people, they're like, yeah, well, they're going to burn coins. they would have to burn a lot of coins. And I mean, listen, if they really did burn all those coins, yeah, that could help it get to $1. But the question is, like, are they really going to burn the coins? Are they really burning coins? I don't know. I personally cannot answer that question. But that's the thing. These meme coins suck people in with the cheap prices. People think they see a cheap coin. Oh, all it has to go to is $1 for me to be a millionaire. News to anyone who's holding SHIB, hoping it goes to $1. Not financial advice. I'm not saying it's impossible to hit $1, but if they don't burn like most of their supply, which if I had to guess, they probably aren't going to do. Maybe they will. Who knows? That would be lit. Everybody would get rich. But it's not going to hit $1. There's no chance it's going to hit $1 unless they burn like most of their supply. Just so you guys know, if you're holding on to SHIB hoping it hits $1, just know if they don't burn most of their supply, it's never going to hit $1. Not a chance. You could probably find the number online of how big the market cap would have to be for it to hit $1. Anyway, thanks for being honest though, man. Hopefully I get close to even and I'll pull out. Hey, Matt, I'm not saying, so I do want to be clear, right? I do want to be clear. That does not mean that you cannot make money with SHIB. I would have made a bunch of money if I bought SHIB, right? Like if you bought SHIB down here, I mean, look at this. Let's not hate too much, right? I'm not hating on SHIB. You can 100% make money on SHIB. SHIB has made people rich. That is a fact. But the people that it made rich just got in all the way down here, right? So you buy here and you sell there. Now you're rich, right? But it did, right? It ripped. It came up super, super high. But for it to hit $1 is unfortunately just unrealistic. Unless they burn most of their supply. Who knows? Maybe they will. But yeah, just a little. That's just why I don't. I invest in projects that actually have a use case. But that's not to say, like, people ask me, should I buy Doge? I'm like, I don't personally buy it. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't buy it because you can make money with it. I just don't personally. It's a personal preference thing. Anyway, way to ruin my whole trading strategy. SHIB to $2. Let's go. My neighbor has a financial planner. He was glad to tell me that he invested in SHIB. I knew that the train had already left past. Poor guy. It's okay. You gotta learn. You gotta learn. This is the best thing said all stream. Dude, bro, appreciate that. Cobra Cry, there are the reasons financial regulators are weary of crypto. Jimmy Two Shoes says, it's a miracle for SHIB to get to a penny. Yeah, well, that's the thing. I guess that's the thing. If it gets to a penny, I'll be rich. But yeah. I made 2K at that time. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Like I said, you can definitely make money. I'm not saying you can't make money with it. I'm not saying it can't make you rich. I'm just saying it's 99% chance not going to $1 ever. But anyway, Mana, we can take a look at Mana right now. 4K price swing on the daily, like F2 pool days. Yeah, remember the F2 pool days? Oh God, that was fun. How long do you think we can stay in such a chop like the timing of your streams? Happy to see your saucy come up, sir. Bruce Wayne. Is that Batman? I appreciate you. But yeah, I mean, it's hard to say right now. Obviously, we're in very volatile times. But yeah, we'll have to keep an eye on it. Let's just take a little look at Bitcoin here. We probably did close the daily candle. So yeah, I mean, we're up against this spider line right now, right? So we're testing the spider line. I think we probably could reject. We could reject on down from this spider line. Maybe come back down to here. It depends, guys. We could see a mega dump like we did yesterday, just smashing through supports. Let's see, Nathan. We could take a look at Cosmos. What was that? Oh, Mana. Yeah, Mana. You guys wanted to see, right? Mana. Let's see. Hang on. That's the. Let's look at Mana Coinbase. Boom. Okay. Let's come over to the daily. Boom, bada boom, bada boom. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Bang. Okay. All right. So, yeah, you wicked past. These are rough lines, guys. You got VWAP coming up on the daily, right? Maybe you come back up and test this area right here, which would be like a little 5% pump. Maybe you come up and test here. But with the alts, guys, I'm just gonna say this: some of the alts do look really good on the the lower time frames, right? Let's look at the 45-minute. you know, some of the alts don't look too bad, but be careful. Be careful, because if something crazy happens in Russia or in the Ukraine, we could see a giant dump again, right? So be very careful buying the alts. There's a lot of Jimmys in here. Breaks my neck every time I hear you say Jimmy, Uncle Jimmy. Oh God, that is funny. A lot of Jimmys, a lot of Vinnies. You know, we got all the Italian names in here. 300 likes. Let's go, guys. All right, I'm going to start winding down here. We're at about an hour and 45 minutes. I am going to try to split out of here a little bit quicker. I don't want to lose my energy on you guys, but I am feeling I'm feeling the sauce drain out of me as we sit here. But super exciting stream today, guys. I was super happy we were able to call that short. I hope some of you guys made money. Hashtag value, hashtag bing bong in the chat. If you guys learned something or saw, found on the stream that we did see that short and made some money, let me know. I love to know that we're helping you guys. I've been getting some pretty good comments on the videos of people saying they're learning and starting to make money. It's that, guys, that is what this is all about. This is what I care about most. I want you guys to be making money. I'll show you guys my trades. We'll be trading live. We'll show you my wins. We'll show you some of the losses. I'm going to be transparent with you guys, but I don't even really care. My trading is trivial. It is secondary. I don't care. My goal is to help you guys make money, right? Because I'm spending a lot of time on this channel. I'm spending a lot of time making this channel, making the videos, writing the videos, posting the videos, writing the descriptions, making the titles, answering every single comment, watching the charts constantly so I have the best analysis for you guys. It's a lot of work, and I'm missing a lot of trades. I missed that Luna trade. I saw it looking like juicy. I saw it looking really good. I missed it, but it doesn't even bother me because I'm out here recording videos. The reason I'm missing the trades is because I'm making videos for you guys. So just know that that is the most important thing on this channel to me, is to help you guys make money. So forget about, like I said, I'm going to show you the wins. I'm going to show you my trades, but it's not about that. It's not about me making trades, making profitable trades. It's about you guys, about me helping you guys make the profitable trades. So I'm very happy we're able to call that stuff yesterday. And how crazy is it, guys? How crazy is it that we came right down to that spider line, exactly where we said, right? We were all the way up here saying it looked like a short, and boom, we came right down to our target. So happy, super happy about that. I hope you guys were able to make some money. Not financial advice, not saying, never advise copycat trading anybody. But I do like showing you guys what I see on the charts and helping you guys be able to identify that when I'm not around so you can enter trades. Captain Kirk's been making money. Jesse Cox has been making money. I remember you guys' names. I know all of you in here, right? I remember when I remember who's making profits because I remember it because it affects me personally. It makes me so happy. So anyway, with that being said, guys, 300 likes by the end of the stream. We're only an hour and 40 minutes in. I am going to end a little early today, but 314 likes. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. Let's give it a little spin here. Spin number one. Let's see. It is not the same without that da thing, right? Boom. Spin it again. Faulty spin. Got rug pulled on that one. Come on. Night off. Oh no. Oh, hey, one-on-one 15-minute call. We've never landed on it. I got to check I have my list of stuff written down of stuff I have to do. If I'm not mistaken, if we did hit it, I will have it written down, but we didn't do that yet, right? We haven't landed on this, I don't think. Let's say, come on, Bob. Who's Bob? Bob. Let's see. I get excited because my dad's name's Bob, and he pops in here sometimes. It gets me excited. I like seeing the family in here. But anyway, I don't see a Bob. But anyway, oh, Bob Barker. Oh, I got you. All right, let's see. Jimmy Two Shoes says, forget about it. Bronx Bitcoin Bulls, get that sleep, Frankie. Thank you, Jimmy, for being here. Love you, brother. All right. So one-on-one 15-minute call. Okay, so I guess, you know what, the way we're going to do this is we're going to do it like a giveaway, right? We're going to do it the same way as the giveaway. So let me write this down real quick. One-on-one call. And I'm going to take a picture of it so I don't forget. Okay, so what we're gonna do is on tomorrow's stream, right? When we put the divergences video out, this is important. When we put the divergence video out, that will be the video that you gotta watch, like, and comment on to get entered into the giveaway, right? And then we will randomly pick it like we picked the NFT winner. Congratulations to Obsessions 2024. So that's how we'll do that. Divergence's video. Watch, like, comment, and you got to be a subscriber. So do that, and then you'll get the one-on-one 15-minute call with me. We'll hop on Zoom or something. You can ask me questions. You can, if you want to just chat crypto, you know, if you're more experienced, just want to chat crypto, share your story. If you just want to talk, you want to kick it, you want to talk about cars, you want to talk about whatever you want to talk about, just let me know and we can chat it up. We can chat it up. If you want to just ask questions, you can have a little notebook, ask me a bunch of questions. But yeah, Bob Price is right. Yeah, James. Hey, James Courts, what's going on? Welcome to the stream, James. We got 329 likes this stream. Peaked out at about 300 and something viewers today. So that was wonderful. Was it 300? I don't even know. I don't know. I don't think it tells you. But yeah, popular stream tonight. Very, very happy about that. Anyway, next spin. Here we go. Got to fix this a little bit. Got a loose peg here. Here we go. Spin it up. I'm gonna make my own sound. Rug pulled. Spin number two. Spin number two, people. 330 on the likes. Let's go. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I appreciate all of you. Celeb DM. Guys, we already did this. I'll do it again. I DM'd Kevin Hart last time. He didn't answer me. Can you believe that? I mean, listen, I know he's in movies and stuff, but we have 6,000 subscribers. That's big time, right? How did he not answer me? Unbelievable. Anyway, we'll do it live. We'll do it live right here. We'll do it live. Okay, who are we going? Put it in chat. Who are we gonna DM? I got it open right here. We're getting ready to do it. I'm gonna do this other spin. Bro, I'm legit building you a new wheel and mailing it. I'll have the most satisfying tick sound. Hey, Tony, do it up. Do it up. I will accept it. I believe you that it will be the most satisfying clicks. Joe Rogan, done. Done. Joe Rogan. We're DMing Joe Rogan. Here we go. Bada boom. I love Joe Rogan. Love his podcast. I'm a big, big, big fan of Joe Rogan. If you guys like Joe Rogan, put hashtag Rogie in the chat. Guys, that's a close one. That is a close one. But I will say this. I'm going to try not to move it. It is on night off. I'm going to try to prove it because I know that it is close. I'm going to try to sneak this dollar and see if, without moving the wheel, I'm going to see if we can sneak it in there and you can see that it is on night off. But who cares if it lands on giveaway? Because, guys, we're giving away another Cardano NFT. Obsessions 2024 won the last one. And if you guys want to see it, this is the NFT that we are giving away to Obsessions. We're already giving away another one. I'll announce that maybe tomorrow. So whatever, you guys already got another giveaway, but I just want to show you that we are being fair here. This is on night off. Here we go. I'm just going to try to weasel it in here. Right on the peg. Probably not going to work, guys, but it is just barely on night off. But hey, you guys are getting a Cardano giveaway anyway, Cardano NFT giveaway anyway. So you guys are already getting another one. So I'll take the night off. I don't know if that was spin 2 or 3, but we'll give you guys an extra one. Or this might just be the third one that you deserve. I'm not sure, but we're just going to spin it because I have night. Oh, you guys are awesome. Everyone's saying night off. I appreciate that, guys. I appreciate that. ASMR, beautiful. Okay, Rogie, we're DMing Rogie. What should I say? Joe Rogan. All right, here we go. What shall we say? You deserve a night off, man. Thank you, BJ. You're more than deserving. Hope, I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. You get the best community on YouTube. I swear. Let's see. Rogie. I used to listen to Joe Rogan every day, but now it's mostly crypto YouTubers. Simon Gonzalez. I feel you. I feel you there. Okay. What do we say to him? What do we say? Offer to make him some money in crypto. Yeah, I mean, he's worth like $100 million. But hey, just popped in to smash. Hey, birds, bees, and trees. Thank you for jumping in just to smash that like. 335. I appreciate everybody here. Okay. Who is his all-time favorite UFC fighter? Have a great evening, everybody. Blanchard Bees, thank you. Invite him to ATV. I'm going to say, hey, Joe. Should I call him Joey? Hey, Joey. All right, here we go. I'm going to write it real quick. Hey, Joey, let me know if you need any crypto experts on your show. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber myself, but also a good friend of the legendary BitBoy Crypto. That's it, guys. We're sending it. Here we go. Boom. Sent. I don't know if you can see that, but it's sent. We just DM'd Joe Rogan. Beautiful. It would be hilarious if one day one of these people answered us like out of nowhere, just to be funny. That would be hilarious. Invite him onto Ben's show. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, I am going to hop out of here a little bit early. I actually don't even really think it's that early, right? Yeah, we're at an hour and 15 minutes. We went the whole stream, guys. We went the whole stream. No worries. You guys keep my energy up. I don't even really feel tired when I'm on stream because you guys keep me so energetic and I have so much fun. Ending the stream with almost 200 viewers, guys. We are growing every single day. This is insane. So, you know, with all that being said, guys, let me just load up the bagel blaster here. Oh. Gonna have to, Bagel Blaster fighting back right now. Boom, okay. All right, so guys, listen, with that being said, I appreciate every single one of you, and I promise the only blaster I'll ever aim at you guys is one that's gonna throw money in your face. But yeah, guys, great stream. Thank you all so much who tuned in late last night. I'm sorry I messed that whole thing up with Ben. We're gonna try. I'll try to do it again tomorrow. If he wants to, if he's down to do it again. So yeah, stay tuned. The beginning of tomorrow's stream could be very interesting. Starting off with Ben. But yeah, thank each and every single one of you for watching. I love you guys so much. You make this, such a fun experience. And happy to help you guys learn how to trade crypto, whether the price is going up or down. Thank you all for being here. I will see you in the next one. That's all I got. That was lackluster. With that being said, that's all I got, guys. All right, I think we need new batteries in this thing. Boom. I love you all. Have a good one. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out.
Tyler Ramos. Tyler Ramos.